we haven't used the camera in a minute. It's been a minute. I'm not awake yet. And it's a Sunday. I can't seem to get myself out of vacation mode because I went home early from work Friday because I got sick. I've just not been feeling things right now. But on a positive note, here we are. So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am freshly awoken. It is a Sunday. I usually don't film on Sundays or wear makeup, but considering I didn't do anything yesterday besides edit, we're gonna do a video today. And I haven't done my makeup for you guys in a long time, so I figured let's just do like a little updated one. So this is basically my everyday makeup routine that I use when I go to work. Of course, when I'm home on the weekends, I do modify it a little bit and I put on blush and I put on eyeshadow and extra stuff, obviously. But we're not going to be doing all that today because I'm just watching the squirrel go across the ground because we just got like, we just don't got time for that. So with that all being said, let's just jump right in. Obviously, first, you guys know I use the Badescu facial spray with aloe, cucumber, and green tea. Jump right in. Jump right in. I literally cannot live without this spray. Like, it is everything. I have a few backups of it. You guys know it's like one of my absolute favorites, and I'm sorry that I'm very like somber right now. I literally just woke up. And then lately I've just obviously been rotating out like my primers and foundations and whatever. And then there's my fucking nosy neighbor outside of my primers, foundations, powders, you get it, that I have in my stash because like I usually sometimes will restock and I will like buy like the same thing again, but for the most part I just buy something once and then I'm over it. So this is the Primark matte primer that I really love. It's the PS ... matte primer. Really good, actually. I was using the Milani one, pore one, and I felt like that one just smelled like grease. So we're just gonna work this into my cheeks. I usually start right here because I have the most pores. I don't know if it's supposed to fill in your pores, but so next is foundation, and most of you guys know for my 2018 favorites, I've been using the L'Oreal True Match pretty much almost every single day. This one's Neutral Classic Ivory in N2, which I really love this foundation. Never thought I would love it as much as I do, and it gets the job done and it gives me nice coverage, and it's just a really nice, easy, everyday foundation if you need one. My mirror is right here, so hence why I am turning my head around. I'm also really dreading going back to work tomorrow. I can't with it. Like, I'm over it. Blend it all out with a booty blender, aka the Real Technique sponge, which is my favorite. I do love the regular beauty blender as well, but like cost efficiency, this one gets it done. It's funny because a lot of beauty gurus are like, oh my god, don't swipe the product, but I'm doing it. Okay, so once I get to a certain point, sometimes I'll just add a little bit extra. I usually do this like on the weekends and stuff. If I just see some spots that need it, I'll just tap that in. So that is foundation. And then what I normally would never do like months ago, I've been doing the last few months, I don't know why, I would take my Tarte Shape Tape concealer and just start concealing underneath my eyes and everywhere else that needs it, because it just is a really nice concealer and it brightens and hides all my circles around my eyes. And then I'll take it on top of my eyelid too, just so it matches. So if we're gonna be Flashback Mary, we're gonna be it all over the eye, not just underneath it. And then I will just go along my nose, the whole usual, you guys know, I'm so tired. Tap out where I put it. So then I will usually take the Maybelline Fit Me matte powder, matte and poreless. This one's in Classic Ivory, just like my foundation, which I actually used it the other day and I did not like it, fun fact. I don't know, like I didn't like how it looked on my skin, how it felt. I don't know if like it's because my skin's changed and Maybelline matte and poreless isn't my favorite anymore, but I'd like to say that it still is. I don't know, I'm gonna have to try it again. I'll just swirl it around on my face. Get your David playing his Xbox. Usually, so I go between tapping and swiping, but currently I'm using this BH Cosmetics brush, but you guys know I love my flat brush to use for powder, but I was using this one over my break and it's just kind of carried on right now. How I miss being on break, you guys. So much. so much. Okay, so after that I move on to eyes, and I will curl my lashes with my Tarte lash curler, which you could easily find like a cheap curler, well not too cheap, but like decent curler at the drugstore, but I always invest in the Tarte one because I just like it a lot better. I will use my mascara. This is currently I'm using the Covergirl Supersizer Fibers, as I talked about in my favorites, and I do like it, but I do tend to poke myself in the eye with it, and I don't like that. I do like the regular one though. So it's funny because yesterday was Saturday and we didn't go anywhere, and that's not like us. We usually like go do all our errands on Saturday, and Sundays we chill. We did the opposite this weekend. David never like gets time to play his Xbox or talk to his friends on Xbox or whatever. Like, it's a rarity, and he actually finally did it the other day, well, yesterday, and it's awesome. I was very happy, and then I was able to get some stuff done too. But I still gotta upload a lot more vlogs, so I think I might just, I don't know. I lost a lot of subscribers and I was posting Vlogmas after the new year, so a lot of you guys probably didn't like that. Or that I was uploading like 3 videos at a time. Yeah, sorry about it, but I gotta get them up. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is my brows. So now, since I got the Anastasia pomade for Christmas, I'm using the Dip Brow Pomade in Blonde, which I do really like a lot. I miss using this product so much. A few years ago, like, I was all about it. I forgot what color I was in though. I think I was like medium brown or something. But this has been a really nice pomade, and it just goes really well with my hair color since I'm brown hair and blonde. And my brows are very overgrown right now too, which is annoying, but you know, we'll get through it. Not my best brow, but it's a brow. I do miss using this brow stuff a lot. I just wish that my tail would get thicker on this side because my brows are still so uneven, and it just drives me crazy. And it's like you gotta try and match them up, and it's like I don't want to fucking match them up. And this brush that I'm using is from the Milani pomade, which I do like that one too. Just obviously since I got this one for Christmas, I've just been using it a lot more. Oh fuck, I'm making that one really thick. Shit. Damn, this is supposed to be your easy everyday makeup look. That I will use my Essence Make Me Brow Gel Brow Mascara, and I just run it through my brows so they stay in place. Love this stuff. It's only like $3-4. I find it funny that Target was selling Essence products and now they're not. Like, that was like a minute. It's just kind of weird that how that whole thing went down. And after I'm done with my eyebrows, I use the Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Highlighter. This has been the thing that instead of concealer, I've been used underneath to hide all the stray hairs. If you're a girl like me and you don't like to like pluck your eyebrows as much as you're supposed to, or go get them threaded, or go get them waxed and spend money, then this has been my new best friend, and I really like her a lot. Like, she's doing the thing this year, so we hide our brow hairs because we're too lazy to go get them. And I'll just go underneath the brow shape very gently so that it like carves it out and doesn't look crazy. I know you guys can't see very well, but I'm just doing the same thing, and it seriously just makes such, ow, why is it stabbing me? Then once I do that, I take a little like flat eyeshadow brush, as you guys can see, and I will just go underneath the brow and smooth it out and blend it in the best that I can. There's my brows. So not the best brows in the world, but those are my brows. Okay, so next we move on to contour or bronzer. I love this stuff. You guys know it is like one of the best things you could ever find. I've raved about it so many times. I'm still trying to finish this one up. So I just take my e.l.f. blending brush, which is this cute little fat fan brush, and it works. I don't know what it is about it, but it just works. So I'll just go in and start. I'll use like the top and the bottom of it to just like swirl in one spot on my cheek, but I can kind of tell where my, as you guys can see, I know it kind of looks a little harsh right now, but we blend it in afterwards. So I'll use kind of like the upper part of the brush, like more up here, and then the lower part like right here. So I'm kind of just doing this motion, and it works. Ah! Well, there's that. We're just gonna struggle to use the rest of this one because, wow, I guess that means that's it. And I lost a big piece of it on the floor somewhere. I'll just blend this out. I'm also trying to beat my camera because you guys know after like 20-25 minutes it overheats and then shuts off. We're not doing that today. We ain't doing that today. I'll take a little bit on my forehead, down my neck, the usual. Oh, and of course my heat's right here too, so it heats up all my makeup, which is not a good thing, but this is the best place for me to have a vanity right now. So, and then I'm gonna just go down my nose. Yes, I do contour my nose very gently, very lightly with the remaining that's on the brush. Okay, well, as I said, I've been trying to use this up and it all falls apart, so that's going bye-bye. And then I just take my little e.l.f. stippling brush. I got a new one and I do really like it. It's just nice and compact and easy to work with. I do still love my other brush, but I don't know, this one just feels a little bit more like I can actually stipple a little better, so, and blend out a little better, so it meshes right in along the top, especially along the top because I just see a lot of spots down my nose and of course my neck. The last step that I do is highlighter. This is the one I've currently been using that I bought. It is the Essence Pure Nude Highlighter. I believe Tati probably mentioned this in a video and I ended up buying it because I did like a drugstore order on Ulta a long time, like a few weeks ago, and I got like some e.l.f. stuff, some Wet n Wild, some Essence, just because like I wanted to try it out. This is a very subtle highlight, so I have to say it's perfect for every day. It just like gives you a nice glow to your face without looking so sparkly, especially if you don't want to look really sparkly. This is just a really nice like subtle glow, as you guys can see. You guys know me, I layer it up. So there's that. Take my beauty blender, just go over it a little bit, the highlight to blend it out. And then we're taking our MAC Prep and Prime spray. Spray my face. And then since I forgot about it, usually I put this on before I even start my makeup, the watermelon lip jelly, but we're gonna do it at the end. Usually I'll just go to work with this on my lips because it's like a gloss or whatever, but obviously it's chapstick. It is basically my everyday makeup routine that I do when I go to work, when I'm really lazy, or a day like today where I want to wear makeup and I have to film and go out and do things, but I don't want to do a lot of stuff. So this is basically it, and I can get it done in about 15-20 minutes, maybe even less if I'm really rushing. So that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm sorry it was kind of short, but I have more videos coming this year, obviously, and this month, and I'm really excited about it, especially for Valentine's Day. Little heart in the background and my watermelon banner. So I hope you guys have an awesome day. I love you guys. Subscribe, like this video if you enjoyed, and if I should keep using the camera even though it's a pain in the ass. I love you guys. Bye.